everyone, it's Crystal Adamo over at RE/MAX Rocky View Real Estate and the Crystal Adamo team. Today I'm really happy to show you this exceptional townhome located in the community of Sagewood in Airdrie. This townhome has seen a complete renovation from top to bottom. It features 3 bedrooms upstairs, this fantastic kitchen that is full of storage, and it's got a fully finished basement. There's even a west-facing backyard for you to enjoy all of those summer days. It is also walking distance to 3 schools, which is really great for children. This is a great find, and I really hope you enjoy this tour.